Hi guys, this is a YouTube channel, Education for All. Today guys, we will learn how to find the square root. So basically there are two methods of finding the square root, by prime factorization method, or it is also called by taking the LCM, and second is by long division method. So in the prime factorization method, the students of lower classes find it easy to find the square root by using the prime factorization method, whereas this method is a little bit complex, which I will show you also. So first of all, we will do the prime factorization method to find the square root of a number. Okay. So let's find out by prime factorization method. In this method, let's find out the square root of 225 by using prime factorization. So first of all, find the prime factors which will divide this properly. So it is 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So next 5 9s are 45. Then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So now pairing these numbers, we get a pair of 5 and a pair of 3. So we get 225 square root is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So again put the square root on these numbers. We get this. So you have to write, you have to take out this square root and write single number in place of the double numbers like this. This is the square root of 225. That means 15. 15 is the square root of 225. Means 225 square root is equal to 15. That's it. Guys, we will find the square root of this number by long division method. So this is the long division method to find the square root. So first of all, try to do the pairing from behind. I have said try to do the pairing of numbers from behind. So 25, there is one pair of 25, this number, and one number is left. So now write this number which is less than 2 in pair. 1 1s are 1. So here 1 will come as a remainder and 25 will come down because we take it as a pair. So then add 1 plus 1 2. Then find that number which divided completely. 25 into 5, like 26 into 6, like that type. Means whatever number we will take on this side at one's place, the same number we will take at the quotient side. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11 12, 125. So here 25 5s are 125. So this solves our square root. Means 225 square root is equal to 15. Now take one more example. Write it as 1 2 2 5. Now start pairing from behind. You will do one thing. First of all, take the number that will be lesser than this and the number should be in pair. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So 4 4s are 16 will not come here. 3 3s are 9 will come here. 9. Then here the remainder would be 3 25. Now 3 plus 3 6. 6. Let's do this calculation. 6 5 5. 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 31, 32. So this is 5 and 5. 65 5s are 325. That means we have solved this square root also. So 1225 has a square root of 35. Now guys, let's take a larger number which is might be 5 or 6 digit number, and we will do the long division method to find the square root. Guys, now we have to find the square root of 5 digit number. This is a 5 digit number, that is 27,225. So let's pairing from behind. We get this. So this number is single. Take it as 1 1s are 1. Now 172, 1 plus 1 2. Now multiply in such a way by taking the same number on this one's place so that the number would be lesser than 172. Let's multiply 26 into 6. 6 6 is 36. 6 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15. 156. Now let's multiply 27 into 7. 7 7 is 49, 7 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this number would be greater. This will not come under here and this will come here. So 156 means 26 6 is a. Now the remainder would be 1625. Now again put the divide sign and this make it add 26 plus 6. It means 6 6 12 and 32. Here 32 will come. 32. Let's multiply 5 by 5. Means we have to multiply 325 by 5 so that the number it will be divisible, the whole number 1625 will be divisible by 32 completely, 325 completely, sorry. So let's multiply 325 into 5. 5 5 is a 25, 5 2 is a 10, 11, 12, 5 3 is a 15, 16. So here it is 1625 and it is completely divisible by this. It means 325 into 5 gives you this number. So the square root of, if I will write this, then you have to write the square root of 27,225 is 165. Guys, it is very important to go step by step during examination, otherwise your marks can be deducted. So I suggest you to just do the calculation on the just mark the margin as rough work and just do the calculation here. Some student develop the habit of doing the calculation at the back of the copy, which is not a good idea, so the student should draw the margins and do the calculation here, and it will mark a very good impact on the examiner also. So guys, the square root of 27,225 means 165. In case you have any queries, you can leave the message in the comment section, and I have also delivered my coaching academy address. You can post your query over there. We tend to solve your queries in very lesser time, and that too free of cost. We won't charge anything. So guys, thank you. Like and subscribe our channel.